What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna give you 5 things that me and my boy we live our life by to make this shit happen and feel confident about ourselves and make sure we're gonna succeed. All right, and this can help you regardless of what you do, whatever you're at. Maybe you're already doing some of these things. All right, and this is kind of simple and maybe common sense to you, but this is what I mean. Number 1, you have to ask and you shall receive. All right, ask for what you want and you shall receive what you want. Okay, there's a saying, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. All right, and that's very true. Most of the time you may fail, but fuck it, what if you make it, right? Anyways, closed mouth don't get fed. You ever heard that? Part of it. Asking you shall receive. You hungry? You ask for food and you receive it. You're not hungry? I'm sorry, you hungry and you don't ask? You're gonna starve. Most likely you're gonna starve. All right? And like I said, closed mouth don't get fed. Asking you shall receive. Word is power. Remember that. It actually spells. That's why they call it spelling when you spell a word, because they're manifestations of what you got to put out there to make your reality come true. Perception is reality. All right? So make that shit look good. Remember, asking you shall receive. Okay? If you never ask, if you never ask, the answer will always be no. And if you never ask, you'll never know. In order to get something you've never had, you got to do something you've never done. All right? You know what I'm saying?
That if you don't believe in yourself, nobody's gonna believe in you. You have to live by your word. You have to live by what you're saying, and then people will know that you are true.
That's right. You gotta mean what you say what you mean. Speak from the heart and believe in yourself, because you are a powerful being. All right? Number 2, try to have no regrets. Life is short. All right? Enjoy the little things, no regrets. In this life, it's better to ask for forgiveness than it is to ask for permission. I'd rather say, hey, I'm sorry I did it, versus, hey, I wish I would have done it and regret it in the end. This goes for anything. When it comes to buying things, when it comes to making deals happen, you can't be scared, man. No regrets. All right? Now, number 3, it ties into that. Learn from your mistakes. Embrace failure. All right? Don't be scared to fail. Most of the time you will. Most of the time you do on a daily basis. We fail all the fucking time. All right? But it's that one time that we win that counts. Look at the all-stars. Look at the athletes. Look at Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Kobe Bryant even. Rest in peace. Damn, that's crazy. Anyways, these people weren't winners. They were losers at one point, Losers that kept going long enough to be winners. All right, and that's what we have to be, guys. We have to be losers in the short term losers in the short term to win in the long term. All right, like I said, no matter the outcome, as long as the outcome is income, like my boy says, that's all that matters, for real. Let's see, number 3. Actually, I think that's number 4. Number 4 is work smart and hard. All right? They say the hardest working people earn the least amount of money. The smartest working people earn the most amount of money. All right? And the next thing that I'm going to give you ties into this one right here. Okay? Really, guys.
Know your surroundings. Know what you're talking about. The same. It comes to the same. If you know what you're talking about, then you can master, and you can make less failure and less mistakes than if you just talk out of your ass.
Yeah. It's like a video game too. Once you go through it once, you don't know what you're expecting, and you fail the mission, then you go in again, you know what you expect, you know what to do, you learn from your mistakes, and you make shit happen. Life is the same way. It's no different. Okay? And like I was saying, Steve Jobs says he gives his hardest task to his laziest employees because they always find the easiest way to do things. And that's how you have to be. They're not lazy because they don't like to work. They're lazy because they want to figure it out. What's the easiest way I can do this? This is hard, And that's how you have to do it. You have to find a process and perfect that process and make it happen. Especially in your life, you have a routine. Make a routine, perfect your routine, and try your best to make it happen in a daily basis. And last thing, this is very important. Last thing, delegate. What I mean by delegating is to give your tasks to someone else so you can free up your time to do the things that matter most. All right, I'm gonna say that one more time. The little tasks that you can pass on to free up your time so you can do the things that matter most for you and your business. All right. For example, we have come to a point where we have to focus on the business. We can't really be sitting down and doing all these things. I mean, sometimes we do, it's a hobby, you know, but if we can pay somebody to do them for us, if we can pay somebody to wash a car for me, that's 2 hours of my time or an hour and a half of my time that I can use making phone calls, texting people to come in and buy a car from me. You know what I'm saying? So we all have 24 hours in a day. It's what you do in your spare time that determines who you will be in the future. All right? Use your time wisely. Life is short. Make it happen. Don't waste it at a job that you don't like. Really. Take that from me. I mean, I love my job, but now it's not even a job anymore. Once you create your stuff, shit, I love waking up, grinding, hustling. You know what I'm saying? And that's just me making phone calls. If you see my gum, I'm sorry, I'm chewing gum right now, but this was a quick video. I just wanted to get it out there while it's in my head and it's fresh, you know? So.
And drive one car a day. So not the same one. Don't be as everybody. Try to be creative to yourself.
You heard it from him. Be creative. Make shit happen. Think of different ways to do things. I mean, 2 + 3 is 5, and so is 4 + 1. You know, so everyone has different ways of doing things. Don't be afraid to do your own thing. Trust me, if it's worth it, you're gonna find a way of making it happen. And if it's important to you, you will find a way to make it happen. Also, this is a bonus one. Never stop learning. The day and the moment you stop learning is the day you start dying. Okay? Never stop learning. Whatever you want, even if it's a hobby or whatever, give yourself something to do. All right? And make sure it's something productive that will push you ahead in life. And yeah, hope you stuck around and heard all the way through, because these are words that I wish somebody would have told me, you know, when I first started. Never give up, never quit. Consistency is key in every business, in every aspect of your life. Like I said, you want to lose weight, you want to get fit, you want to get money. Consistency is the key. All right? Even if you want to fucking get the lottery and win the lottery, you got to play consistently to win it. All right? So, consistency, compounding, and much more. But guys, make it happen. Make the move. Line yourself up. And if you don't, this is a sink or swim kind of world out there. It's cold out there. All right? But you got this because you're a strong person just like ourselves. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe to the channel, and hope you can hear me over this AC and the road and everything. Go out there and kill it. All right? Hit that like and subscribe button. Make it happen for us. Help us out. And we're going to do our best to return the favor with a lot more content. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.